Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to download Schwab 1099 tax form. Open the website, then sign in with your login ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Statements. After that, you will see a plus sign on the left side of 1099 tax forms. Click on the plus sign. Now a section for Charles Schwab Brokerage 1099 tax forms will appear. On its lower right side, you will see a blue PDF option. To download your Schwab 1099 tax form, click on PDF. That's how you download your Schwab 1099 tax form. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.